Hello friends. Welcome to the Wikinotes tutorial. This tutorial will help you to learn the concept of data structures for GATE, UGC NET PSU and university exam. Please friends press the like button and subscribe my channel. We have discussed binary tree is a special tree data structure. In a binary tree, each node can have at most 2 children. There are following types of binary trees. In this video lecture, we will discuss properties of binary trees. Binary tree properties. Important properties of binary trees are: Property 1. Minimum number of nodes in a binary tree of height h equals h plus 1. Example: to construct a binary tree of height equals 4, we need at least 4 plus 1 equals 5 nodes. Property 2. Maximum number of nodes in a binary tree of height h equals 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. Example: maximum number of nodes in a binary tree of height 3 equals 2 power 3 plus 1 minus 1 equals 16 minus 1 equals 15 nodes. Thus, in a binary tree of height equals 3, maximum number of nodes that can be inserted equals 15. We cannot insert more number of nodes in this binary tree. Property 3. Total number of leaf nodes in a binary tree equals total number of nodes with 2 children plus 1. Example: consider the following binary tree. Here, number of leaf nodes equals 3. Number of nodes with 2 children equals 2. Clearly, number of leaf nodes is 1 greater than number of nodes with 2 children. This verifies the above relation. Note, it is interesting to note that number of leaf nodes in any binary tree depends only on the number of nodes with 2 children. Property 4. Maximum number of nodes at any level L in a binary tree equals 2 power L. Example: maximum number of nodes at level 2 in a binary tree equals 2 power 2 equals 4. Thus, in a binary tree, maximum number of nodes that can be present at level 2 equals 4. Thank you so much friends for watching my video lectures.